This is my 19-week mini braid update, also updating you on using virgin hair fertilizer to grow my natural hair on my mini braids. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by, checking out my content, commenting, liking, subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you again. Last virgin hair fertilizer video, I highlighted to you why I stopped using virgin hair fertilizer for over 6 weeks on my natural hair, partly because it was summer, I was very busy, but also I like to give a break on my hair growth aids to boost the growth. That's my belief, that if I stop using it for a while and start using it again, I get that added boost. So I stopped using it for about 6 weeks. During that time, I didn't see very much growth. However, as I said, I do like to make a stop, even if I don't see a lot of growth with my growth aid. Just give my scalp a break from anything, just by itself, just water I was using during that time. I didn't see much growth, however, my hair was still continuing to grow, just not at the excelled rate that I get with virgin hair fertilizer. As you know, I've been on a mini braid challenge now for 19 weeks. That's a big commitment for myself, and I really wanted to see this through at least to week 20. My hair has been taken down, and there's a quick glimpse of the takedown. Those videos are very exciting. I've got so much growth, and I'm very excited for you to see those videos filmed already, started to be edited and ready to go. You will not believe the length of my hair today. Although there is no full length shot, you will be able to see visible difference. I'll be doing lots of comparison videos, so lots of exciting content coming up on my channel. As explained, I've got plenty of virgin hair fertilizer content on my channel. I have got a playlist. Do check out the playlist. You'll see week by week the growth. I've been measuring the growth for you so you can see clearly how much growth I get when I'm using that product. So do go ahead and check that out. Also in that video, you will have detailed information on the product itself. Virgin hair fertilizer has been a staple of mine since forever. For the last year or so, I've started to use it, but for the last 6 months or so, I've dedicated to using this as my main growth aid along with clove. Now, clove is very exciting as well. As a natural growth aid, you do get a lot of growth from clove as well. I've stuck to virgin hair fertilizer because I also have dandruff on my scalp, and I find that sulfur helps to get rid of a lot of the dandruff. So about 3 weeks or so ago, I started to use virgin hair fertilizer again, and here is the video from then. As you can see, I'm applying quite a lot of the product to my scalp, and I've explained in some of my previous videos that you don't have to use this much. I'm just quite heavy-handed with the product. It is petroleum based, so it's quite greasy. It will clog up your pores. I've explained in those videos that if you are going to be using this product, that you're going to need to wash your hair more in order not to clog up your scalp and prevent any build-up on your scalp. You're going to have to keep on top of washing and clarifying your hair. People have also said this product is quite strong. You're able to add peppermint or any other essential oil to mask the smell if that is a problem for you. But I do recommend this as a growth aid. "19 weeks into growing my natural hair, I can say the boosted growth, majority of the time when my hair was growing the most was when I was using this product. Now, hair growth and length retention are two different things. I've tried to explain that over my video. So you can be using growth aids like virgin hair fertilizer and getting a lot of growth, but you're not retaining the length. I believe that length retention is the key, which is why I'm using mini braids as my main protective style. With this style, my hair is always in a style protected, away from being combed and brushed every day. It's not manipulated. And so I believe that's the key to having long hair, is length retention. Hair growth aids such as virgin hair fertilizer do have their place because they give us that boosted growth. If we can get the calculation right between the growth aids giving us lots of growth and us being able to retain that length, we will see a major difference in our hair length, regardless if, like myself, you've never had long hair before. I have then been advocated for using mini braids to grow your natural hair long because I found that over other types of protective style, be it weaves, be it crochet braids, be it braids, be it even twists with your natural hair, mini braids last a longer time, and the hair you grow is the hair you're going to want to keep because that hair is moisturized and you're able to infuse all your treatments into your mini braids. You're also able to use your growth aids like virgin hair fertilizer on your scalp because you have so much access to your scalp, unlike if you had a sew-in, for example. I do want to thank you so much for getting so far into the video. If you reach this point, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me and growing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I've since taken down these mini braids I've explained, but I am using virgin hair fertilizer twice a week now. So in this autumn winter period of growing my natural hair, virgin hair fertilizer, as long as some of my homemade hair growth aids, which I'm going to be excited to launch, is a bit of a delay as everything is, but I'm very excited to put those out. My hair is growing once again a lot faster than it was doing without virgin hair fertilizer. So I advocate completely for using this product that will grow your hair, that will soothe the dandruff on your scalp, and it just feels really good when you go outside and you've applied a good amount of virgin hair fertilizer to your scalp. I personally like the smell. If you like that minty sort of smell, then it smells like that to me, and I love the sulfur that gives me the added growth. So I advocate for using virgin hair fertilizer as well as cloves. I've got more cloves videos coming up, so do look out for that. And I also advocate for using mini braids to grow your natural hair. Just follow along with what I'm doing on my channel. You can grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. And I'm showing you, I'm growing my hair right before you. Why don't you follow along? Take videos of your hair, take pictures of your hair and see how you get along. You can do it. I believe you can. So as stated, I've got lots of videos that's filmed, including completely how much growth I got in the last 3 months, which was a lot of growth using mini braids. I started this challenge on the 8th of May. It ran till the 8th of September. And yeah, I got a lot of growth that I'm excited to share with you. I do have a brand new set of mini braids in filming videos for you. So lots of content. It does take a long time to film these videos and get them out there, but I really do want to help you to grow your natural hair. So follow along and don't be discouraged. I know there's quite a lot of times we want to give up. If you ever feel like you can't deal with your natural hair, then put something in. I'm not completely against using extensions to grow your natural hair or having a break from having to deal with your hair, but do come back to treating your own natural hair and it can grow. I have infused my hair with henna and other Aveda to strengthen the hair on my head, which is why I'm retaining length as well as keeping it in long-term protective styles like this. So that was my 19-week mini braid update and showing you my hair is growing. Have you seen the amount of growth even in this video at the root of my hair? The thickness on my hair that I've achieved even in the last 6 months is really, mini braids is the way to go. Using virgin hair fertilizer and other natural hair growth aids is the way to go, and you can achieve long hair. I believe it's possible and I'm showing you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.